So we're having to go into Centro to pay a few bills, aren't we, baby? And it's a really hot day, which is good because we've had a lot of rain, as you know from the previous video. And I want to point out, I mean, not to, you know, those who live in the Philippines, they know everything about the Philippines if they've been here for any length of time. It's for people that's never been. So we want to give you some information about certain forms of transport in the Philippines.
School supply for the kids.
The schools, yeah, because the school term's starting again, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you.
So, hello! What a small world! Nice to see you. Yes. This is Mel's friend's best friend. Well, it's her cousin.
No, my boyfriend.
It's your boyfriend, right? Okay.
Oh, she said I'm mataba.
From just being children, they've been very good friends as well. Plus, like I say, she's family as well. So, we're in Centro now. We're in Plaza, and we want to discuss the different forms of transport in the Philippines. Now, I know this isn't going to be interesting to these expats that live in the Philippines, but this is for people that haven't moved yet. Now, the main forms of transport in the Philippines are obviously buses, jeepneys, the trikes, and the pajaks, which is the little bikes with like a sidecar on them. The other one is the skates. Now, I'm going to do you a video on the skates. A skate is some like a trolley thing that goes on the railway line, and it's really important to people that live in the area. They get well used. I was quite surprised, but it's not just people that they carry, it's all goods, rice, bags of rice and all that kind of thing. But there's one form of transport I've not mentioned, and I want to show you that in a bit, which we tend to travel on when we're leaving Centro. Right. So like we said earlier when we came in, we're going to do a bit of shopping, and then when we leave we're going to show you this other form of transport that I know they have the same in Naga.We. I'm trying to think where else they've got them that we've been. Don't think there's anywhere else I've noticed. I'm sure there is.
You always ride in your motorbike.
Yeah, I know. But they've got this form of transport in Naga.We. They have them in some cities, but not all cities. So what were you saying about the trikes?
All the tricycle here, all the color of the tricycle, they can go around hart in Naga.
Yeah. And
just for example, do you remember when we buy a cabinet for the plate?
Yeah.
They charge 150, I think. They charge
150.
Yes.
Because we had a big cabinet.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's far.
So they'll carry furniture for you as well.
Yes.
Well, I've seen them carry pretty much anything. If they can get it on the trike, they'll carry it, won't they? But
you need to rent.
Yeah. You need to rent it.
It's not 8 pesos, but the regular price is 8 pesos fare. That tricycle.
So anywhere in Naga for 8 pesos, yes. Yeah? As long as they're not carrying furniture.
It depends the distance also. It will depend.
What, when you rent it, or just normal for the 8 pesos?
Yes.
I thought they can't charge you any more than 8 as a passenger.
It will depend. It will depend on the location. It's too far. Like here in Centro, and then going to carriage, you need to pay more than 8 pesos.
Yeah, but I thought they were only licensed to go to certain places in Naga. I thought
just only the taxi in Manila, just only in the Manila.
Well, why do certain trikes go to like LCC and the terminal, but they don't go any further?
That is the policy.
They can't go anywhere else because that colour means they can only go to a certain part. We're not really sure how many of these ponies there is, but there is quite a few and they're very popular. As you can see, they're always full. And the thing I like about it as well is they don't work the ponies from morning till night. They start in the afternoon.
Yeah, because there's no light.
There's no what, baby?
There's no light, it's only afternoon.
Well, it's because of the heat as well,
Yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah, it's the heat. Because all the driver of the horse drawn is old now.
Yeah, yeah. It's too much on the horses though, on the ponies, isn't it?
The horse.
What did you say?
I thought there's 3 lang.
There's only 3. I think there's more than that. I think there's more than that. I've seen 4 ponies and trap, or horse and carriage, or whatever it is you want to call it. Now, not only the pajaks are different colours, but the trikes are as well, aren't they? And the colour tells you where the trike's going to go, yeah?
LCC terminal.
That's LCC, yeah, the red ones.
But they can go somewhere if you want to rent area.
So, it's been a long day on and off, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So, we're going to walk home, I think.
Because we have no fare.
No what?
Fare.
We have no fare?
So we can walk.
We have, I've got 50 pesos.
It's good to me. Exercise.
You feel tired, baby?
Yeah.
Well, we could get a pajak.
It's okay. I need exercise.
So that's it then, babe, till the next video. Say goodbye.